Here you go. Read your card. Oh, you got a balloon? You want me to read it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, it says, it says, happy birthday from the Great Wolf Pack. Sammy Squirrel, Wiley Wolf, Oliver Raccoon. So this is an arcade card.
Arcade card.
And it says, and you get a free ice cream scoop. But it expires like 2 days, so.
Wow.
What's
Ano,
this?
okay na, Mawo?
Yes. Wait, what's this? You can play Keep Yuppie.
Nothing got me. Ken got me.
What?
Got this. Mama, open it. No, dang
Are you okay, Will? No, I'm bad.
Back up a little bit, Layah.
We're doing a fruit wolf, baby. Whee! Whee! This way.
Mom, don't want anymore.
Point yours to that one.
I found something, guys. I found something. Layton, I found something. Hang on, guys.
Mom, close stage.
Yep.
Mawo.
Yep, it's late.
Mawo. Maybe Mawo.
Yeah. Ready? Cool. Ready? When no, it made an eagle noise.
I'm not tired.
There's a chest over there, Mom. Let's check it out. Yeah.
Come on, sit here. There's another one right there. Get that one. There's one right there. Get it. There you go.
That's cool, Layah. You can't. See? Like it's not working.
You might have to do so much before you get there.
True.
You might have to follow them.
Oh yeah, you might actually have to start the
Mama hungry.
Or Dad, you start anywhere and you can do whatever at any time.
Well, I think you started that first little string.
put your foot on that one right there. Okay? Now lift up.
Good job. You okay?
You got it, Layah. Ow.
What's wrong?
Layah hit her knee.
It's a
I also have Pikachu dressed as a megalodon.
You got it, Landon.
Landon, look how high you are. Ah! Don't go down. It's kind of hard, son. Good job. I believe I can fly.
No, walk up here.
Oh my gosh, Layah! Alright, you gotta go again. You gotta go in.
Yeah, that's the one we're gonna do. That's there. That one's for you. You wait for the next one.
Wait, now she can do it. Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, Layah! Oh!
That same line and go straight up. There you go. That's it. There you go. Push.
Dad, you see that little like
All right, now that foot right there where your knee's at. Look. Put your foot where your knee's at. Right foot where your knee is.
I love those
There you go. Or your left foot.
Go back to the space!